Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week I'm going to share with you a combination. Now, it starts off like this. Toes are on the bottom, my heels are lifted, and I'm rolling 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the first move. It's cool, it works really well in little dance combinations. And I've got this rolling arm action. Okay, I'm just really feeling it mainly in my arms. My lower body's not getting anything out of it because it's being supported by the water. And then I combine it. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, 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 roll, roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, roll, and when you're twisting, the feet are together, the knees move across the body, the fingers are open so that you can create a turbulence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, roll, and they have to finish that twist to get back to the roll. Then I add something else on. I add what I call the swivel. The swivel is a cross-country ski that goes across the body. One of my favorite movement patterns. It looks like this. Over, over. So legs are straight when I'm doing this. The arms are really sweeping across the body, and now I'm really rebounding. I add them together and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, roll, twist, 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 twist. Big. Swivel. Roll, roll, twist, 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 swivel. One more time. Roll, roll, twist, 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 swivel. It's so cool because they're all just expressions of the twisting motion, but got my heart rate up. It was fun to do. Had my brain thinking a little bit with that combination. Always start on the same side with the roll, so you could potentially start teaching it and repeat the whole sequence, but on the left hand side if you wanted to, but will fit in perfectly with any sort of, choreography or, chorus. I use it for a chorus in a song, and it's great. I hope that you enjoy doing this, and that is this week's Aqua Tip. I love this combination. I actually taught it in my aqua class yesterday, and I'm going to break it down a little bit more than what I showed you in the pool. So yes, you start with your toes just on the pool floor, your knees are bent, and basically you've got your knees moving from side to side like that. Your legs are not going to feel anything. And then you have the rolling arms. So when I taught it in my class, we went this way, and then we went that way for 16 counts, and then I broke it down to 8 counts, 8 counts, and then 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finally down to 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the key thing here is that they just have their toes on the floor. You can do the same thing in a chair, and once they understand what to do with the feet, you can stand up and continue with this movement pattern with your toes on the floor, not too hard. Then there was the twisting pattern, which we all know how to do, right? So twisting with the hands up here. Now just remember that when you twist, your hands come to your shoulders and then away. The elbows basically stay in place, and you have your hands low enough so the fingers stay in the water. I can sometimes lift my arms up too high. I know, I've seen myself in videos. So hands down a little bit lower, fingers open. You want that turbulence. and then you put it together. So they've already had the breakdown of the rolls, so you can just go, you can extend this. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist, twist, twist for 8 counts. Roll, 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 twist for 8 counts. And when they're twisting, their feet are not jumping off the pool floor here either. They are just having the heels lifted off the floor and moving their knees, and they will feel this a little bit more through their abdominals because of the pace and because the arms are creating that turbulence in the opposite direction. And you can of course demonstrate this in the chair, but then you can break it down to just one of each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like what I was demonstrating in the pool. Now the swivel, right, is a little harder to demonstrate when you don't have anything, because you've got to go from here to there. And let's face it, most of us are not that athletic. If you have the Aqua frame, yay, turn it around. In fact, you can do all those demonstrations with the frame in this position. I like it like this, and then all I have to do is hold my body weight up on the frame. Just a little pointer about using the frame. You do need to have enough upper body strength to be able to hold yourself up effectively. If you're a water instructor and you are finding that quite challenging to do, my recommendation would be to actually start doing some resistance-based training. Some things like push-ups, mountain climbers where you have to hold yourself up off the floor. Even planks are going to be good with developing that upper body strength to be able to hold yourself away from the frame. Do some resistance training. It's time, if you're struggling, to be able to use a piece of equipment like this, which saves your joints in so many ways because you don't have the upper body strength. And we also need to be good role models for our clients. A bit of upper body strength is required to teach Aqua. You don't have to be all muscle, just enough strength to be able to perform movement patterns that will save your joints on the frame. So that's the swivel, here, 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 and then you teach the arms. Okay, yes, you can use the chair, but it's more awkward, right? Because your legs, it's hard to get that rotation. So do the best you can. But then you put the whole thing together, right? And this is when I get behind the frame. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. So where you jump is important because you want to keep going in the same direction. So if you start with your knees this way, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then when you do your swivel, it's your back to facing this way. And in this case, the right leg would go over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're in the right position to do the roll again. Now, I would demonstrate that at least a couple of times until they understand, and then emphasize the arms with long lever arms with that swivel action. I love this combination. I hope that you try it in your classes. It's a great one. I use it for a song where there's a long chorus and I've got time to build it up. And that is this week's Aqua Tip.